Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Guess what, guys? In today's video, I'll be showcasing a brand new executor called Fluxus Z. And in today's video, I'll be showcasing all of its features and a bunch more. And guys, guess what? This executor is also completely free with a key system. And guys, it's also an external executor. But before I showcase it, guys, let's get right into the sponsor of today's video. We've got GG, the best place to get the best executors and externals for Roblox. Let's go, guys. So, guys, the first thing you want to do is click on the first link in the description with GG, the good shop. And as you see, we've got GG sells the best executors and externals going for both oil seller and a bunch more, but my favorite is Potassium, so click on it at the lifetime for $22.97. So click buy now, and I click proceed to checkout. Then obviously you want to put in the bank details, and as you see, you can either pay your PayPal, debit card, credit card, Google Pay, or crypto, and you can also buy it for bucks. Alrighty guys, so to install Fluxus Z, what you want to do is go join the Discord server, which will be a link in the description. And I already have Fluxus Z installed, so let's run it right now. There we go, fluxusz.exe, so let's run it. More info, run anyways. And there you go guys, Fluxus Z is finally open. Now, in order to get your key, you can click get key and do the key system. However, I already have a lifetime key, so I'm just going to paste it in and log in right now. And there you go guys, I'm finally in Fluxus Z. Now guys, let's go over the UI for Fluxus Z. Let's go guys. Alrighty guys, so this is the home page for Fluxus Z. This is the official website, your license status, the Discord community server, and there's also all the latest updates for Fluxus. And as you see, the UI is very much inspired after both Executor's UI. As you see, it's very similar but also very different. So firstly, let's go to this next page. So as you see, this is the editor page where you can type in any script you want, for example like print hi, and it's also the terminal, attach, execute button, the area where you can make as many tabs as you want, and it's also the explorer area to clear editor, open file, save file, new file, refresh explorer, and a bunch more. It's also the script hub, so you can search for any script inside of the script blocks API. So if I want to search for infinite yield, and yeah, it should be around here somewhere. On the next area, I see this is the client manager, so as you see, Fluxus Z in fact has multi-instance, so you can attach to this instance if you want it, or you can completely kill or end the instance. And obviously this is settings, every single setting you need for the UI, zoom level, Windows opacity, streamer mode, a bunch of stuff. You can also change the color, and you can also make your own color as well. However, I'm just going to stick with the original color. And there's also the workbench, startup error, session persistence, Roblox console monitoring, all of that type of stuff. And there's also redirect output and auto inject. Now guys, let's get right into the UNT test for Fluxus Z. Let's go guys. Alrighty guys, so now let's attach into Roblox. So attach. Hello guys, successfully injected Fluxus Z. So now let's open up the UNT test. There guys, now let's execute the UNT test script, so execute. And now, as you see guys, everything's being loaded in the console, and as you see guys, Fluxus Z has a 98% success rate, 81 out of 83, with 2 tests failed on the UNT test, which is absolutely amazing for an external executor. And the only thing that failed is hook function and get script closure, which is absolutely amazing. Alrighty guys, now let's execute the SUT test for Fluxus Z, and all we have to do is just open up the console and wait. As you see guys, Fluxus Z has a 50% success rate, 43 out of 86, with a total of 43 tests failed on the SUT test. Now you guys may be wondering, why does this executor have such low tests? Remember guys, Fluxus Z is an external executor, not an internal executor like Bolt or any other. Therefore, the tests are automatically going to be lower to stay undetected and be completely external instead of internal. Now guys, let's get right into the myriad validity test. Let's go guys. Alright guys, so now let's execute the myriad validity test. So run, and now let's run the test for Fluxus Z. So run. As you see guys, Fluxus Z has a 80% pass rate on the myriad validity test, which is probably one of the highest I've ever seen for an external executor on the myriad validity test. That's very crazy, with 27 failed and 111 passed. That's absolutely amazing. And let's run the vulnerability test. So run. Unfortunately, it seems that the vulnerability test is not working on myriad, so yeah, how unfortunate. Now guys, for the final test, you'll be doing a script test using the Novaline script on Fluxus Z. So let's attach, and let's see if it executes flawlessly. And as you see guys, because Fluxus Z is an external executor, obviously externals just like Xeno and Solara can't run every script in the book. So let's try another script and see if it works. So as you see, just cannot execute. Now let's try something else. Hold up. Alright, let's execute this chat, the infinite yield script. And as you see guys, infinite yield loaded in flawlessly and it's working perfectly. Now guys, that is pretty much the end of today's video. I hope you guys have fun, and if you guys want to get Fluxus Z, all of the links will be in the description, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye!